Hello, my glorious guys. This is MegaB 2013, or you can just call it the new YouTube channel name, 2145 Creeperhead. And we're doing another video today, except this time we're doing a try to not laugh challenge. I tried to do a try to not laugh challenge before on MegaB 2013, but you can go check that out because I laugh to almost everything, and I need y'all help to get me back started. So we're going to do this once again, okay? We're going to do everything we can to do all this. So let's get started with the video, shall we? No. We're not doing a try to not laugh challenge. We're going to try to not. We're going to try the thing I've been doing before. Cute or creepy. We're going to do cute or creepy. And we're gonna see, we're gonna not get scared. Let's do this. The first one on cute or creepy is this nasty big-headed Mr. Popo, pink Mr. Popo, Mr. Kirby. I can't talk about this, so I say it's a 20 out of 100. It's nasty. It's disgusting. It's gross. It is gross. That's what I gotta describe. It's nasty. It's gross. I can't even tell what that is. Just made me look bad. That's disgusting. It's nasty. The next one on cute or creepy is the thing that is bothering me right now. It's this nasty, disgusting thing I don't understand. I mean, the cute part about this is that the fact that he's eating a donut. He is eating a donut. I can't believe it. He's eating a donut, guys. He's weird. Guys. Gang. Can you, if y'all agree with me about if this cute or creepy, just leave this down in the comment. Oh yeah. Did I tell y'all I cut my hair? Oh yeah, I cut my hair. I just needed to cut my hair. So that's it. Yeah. No, the video is still going, but that's it. I'm just telling y'all that I cut my hair. Because last video, y'all saw my hair puffed up. But I cut my hair, okay? My hair... Whatever about hair, we're just doing a cute or creepy thing. So let's see on what's next on the list. Okay. This y'all got me. Y'all got me on this one. Cute or creepy this thing, this is cute. Look at his little face. Like, wait a minute. Look at that face. It's a little titan. Hey, you're cute, buddy. This is a cute little titan. You know how on Attack on Titans, they had this thing. Well, Attack on Titans, what is that, the Colossal Titan or the Armor Titan? No, that's the Colossal Titan. That is cute. Wait. I thought this was the nose. And this is the mouth. This is the mouth. This is the mouth right here with the chipmunk teeth. I just noticed what I'm looking at, but I still say it's cute. Y'all, if y'all can't agree with me, I love that, man. On with the next one, because, what was that, 2 creepies and 1 cute? I don't know, man, just, let's move on. First of all, guys, what am I looking at? I don't know what I'm looking at. What is this? What is this? Imagine you seeing that on your food. What would you do? I will crush it. I won't eat it. I will crush it. I don't like that. What is that? What is that? What is that? I don't know what that is. It's nasty. That's an automatically creepy. That's creepy. That is a creepy. No. That's creepy. No. Move on. We're moving on. We're done. Move on. Okay, guys. This one, it gets under my skin. Look at this dog. Look at this dog. Imagine seeing that smile at you like this. That is disgusting. I don't know what I'm looking at. Guys, do you see this? This is a cute or creepy, and that's automatically creepy. That is nasty. It's smiling into your soul. No. Automatically creepy. Let's move on. This one I can't deal with. Let's move on. This one, they took it too far. They took it too far, guys. It's a grown man face on the dog. And the dog, nasty, disgusting. This one is cute right here. This one, it gets under my skin, and I'm disgusted. I'm in pain. It's nasty, it's hideous, it's disgusting, it's nasty, I don't know what it is. Guys, stop hurting my feelings. You're hurting me. This is not no fair. This is unfair. So fun fair. It's nasty. I can't. No. No. This one is still getting under my skin. That is so cute. But the way this thing is looking, you can tell that he wants to kill you. Right now, that's 50-50. So, move on. First of all, a living crack butthole. What is this? I don't know what it is. If you like this video today, subscribe and like that. I'll see you on the next video.